Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload to Instagram directly from edits. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. And if you find this video helpful, do not forget to subscribe and leave a like. So let's begin. The first thing to do is to start creating your project, or you can just continue working on the project that you are currently working on. In my case, I'm just going to click on new project, and here I'm just going to choose these footage, then click on done, and here they will be loaded into the timeline. Now you can start adding all the editing stuff that you would like. For example, you can add text to it and start giving it effects. You can do whatever you like on your videos. In your case, you can start also adding effects to your videos. It can be anything. You can add also sound effects that you will find here in the toolbar, etc. And I'm just going to click add it, and then you can have it in duplicating it, etc. After you finish editing, you will be needing to export your video. And to do so, you will be needing just to click on click export, and then it will start rendering the video automatically and then allows you to sharing it into your social media. So let's just click again to export, and we will wait for the process to finish. And as you can see, we are going just to wait for this percentage to be 100, and then you will find that you will be able to share to Instagram directly. Also note that videos that are made with edits are optimized for high quality playback on Instagram. So you will need just to click on share on Instagram, and the processing will start, and then you can add all the other elements and click on share. So basically that's it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.